So I don't know if you have formally been introduced to my wife, Mrs. Zach of all trades, but here she is. And how you doing?
Fine. So, I'm not the only one that does stuff around here. Aaron's got a fun project.
So this project is called
Recaning a chair seat.
So that's what she's gonna do. We're gonna watch her do it.
So here we go. So today, we're gonna engrave on a gun.
I gotta think about this. Traffic based on
So now here's the time to talk about our sponsor. Nobody sponsors me.
Excuse me, can you tell me which way is the weight room? Somebody said it was over there.
So this is a funny story. Aaron, can you put your hands in there for a prop? Yep, just like that. So we advertised on a golf course for all of our other services. Hats, sweatshirts, car vinyl, gun engraving. And our first order was for...
recaning a chair.
So Aaron's going to take a photo because we want to know what this thing looked like before she destroys it. Oh boy.
I think one of the grandkids knelt on it or stood on it or something.
So what, I'm confused. What are canes?
So this is a reed, and it's a natural material from it's from a plant. And I think somebody, I would guess, has to make them into different widths because I can get this in lots of different
Did I hear you
widths.
say you had to soak this?
Yeah, so right now it's not very pliable because it's dried out, and you're supposed to soak.
What's this?
This is a little bit wider, and that's going to cover up the seam at the end. It's the last step.
Huh.
It covers up all the holes around the perimeter of the seat. And this place that I bought it from, this should be enough for one chair or one seat, and they include the binder strip.
China.
So I took some measurements of this particular chair, and I found a chart online saying how many inches or quarter of inches are between each hole on the outside of the seat. And based on that information, it recommended this medium gauge reed set. So I got it shipped from Kentucky, I think, and got here in a couple days.
That's what I like to hear.
Let's get her kiss out of the way. One more.
Can I just cut this like this? Can I go in? This reminds me of that scene in James Bond. Ooh, this edge is different. So what's going on with the bottom? That's how I cover the holes. No, Daniel Craig. Ooh, that is like on there. Well, that's because it's wrapped around. That's the final thing, it's the binding. Now I need to find the center hole or holes if it's an even number, which this one's even. So I count from the corner, and this is 24 holes. So I need to count 12 holes and mark both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that was right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And then we need to find the ones that are directly across, which I happen to know are here because I counted them earlier. Okay. And then the other two holes that I found based on the picture that I took of the old cane that was here is that this hole and this hole, and this hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think it's this one. I'll have to look at the picture later. But we're going to be skipping a hole here. So the next step is we're going to start making vertical strands all the way across. That's step 1. This is called a 7-step caning process, and this is step 1. So
What's the water about?
you have to soak it, otherwise it's not pliable.
Huh. How long does it have to soak?
My instructions said to put like 3 to 5 strands in a bucket of room temperature water for at least 5 minutes.
This water?
Yeah, that water. These are called caning pegs. I got them with my caning materials. And my chair propped up a little bit. And... oh, is that? I'm just gonna trim it.
How long did we talk about you working on this project?
Until it's finished.
Right. You're looking at the camera. You're not looking at the black dot.
I'm not experienced.
Look at the black dot. Look at the black dot
That's
over
all the
there.
way over
Not
there.
there. Not there. Not
your
there.
face is
There.
over there.
Not there. There. Not there. There. Look right there. Look me in the eyes in the black dot. Now we're on to part what, Mom? 4. And what are you going to accomplish in this phase?
This will be the first actual weaving in and out of the
First actual weaving, and you're getting some water. Okay, I'm excited. First try.
Yeah, I was looking at the picture of the old one, make sure it's not
So this is taking forever, but we love our workers. So we're in step 4, and we're gonna get this done, right?
Right.
Okay.
We're in the home stretch, Mom. What do you got left?
about half of step 6. From here to here.
Okay. Oh, I see it. Like this line right here.
Yeah, I did this, but I haven't done this.
Wow, look at this. Gosh. You ever gonna do another chair again?
Maybe.
Good luck.
Good.
Just clip it and be done. Please. Please.
That's
My hands are getting heavy. Please. Are you done?
with this.
Please.
I have to do the bottom next.
What do you mean?
I just have to trim things on the bottom real quick.
We're done. We're done. We're done. Oh my gosh.
Boom. All done. So you got before,
And after.
good work, Mom.
Thank you.
Good work. You do well work. Proud of you. Good work.
First try.
Black dot, black dot.
First try.
You gotta say it with a straight face.
First try.
Please, please. Aaron, please don't. I know, but just remember, if you sit on this and you break it, you gotta start over. And it's not worth it because they didn't ask you to sit in it. They asked you to recane it. So you're done. Just walk away. You're done. You're done. So that's how you cane a chair. Took you how many hours, Aaron? I'm gonna say about 6.
Oh.
More?
Oh yeah.
You think more?
10 or 12.
No. Are you for real?
I'm not sure.
Ugh. Ugh. Anyway, this would be a great time to like, subscribe, and click that notifications button for more awesome content. God bless.
Okay, you know,